Good morning, guys. Hope everyone is doing fine today. My name is Gaurash, and today I'm back with about three to four hot stocks to watch for today. But before that, let's take a look at what happened to the stocks that I mentioned yesterday. I mentioned three stocks yesterday, out of which there was a stock named as Kensington Capital Acquisition, ticker symbol KCAC. So in the pre-market, it was trading around yesterday. In the pre-market, it was trading around $13 to $14, I guess, and then slowly and steadily it went up and down, and then it went up to 16.4, and presently today the price of this share is KC is 21.79. The news that came in today for yesterday was for this stock was that uh, there was a company which is going there was a company which is going to list on NYSE. The name of the company was QuantumScape, and it was going to list on NYSE through the merger with KCAC. So this was the news that came in today, yesterday morning, and that is why this share is rising. Even today, this share is rising a lot. So as you can see, the pre-market before hours volume is 2.4 million, and it has already crossed about 15% in the pre-market. So I think today this stock is again to watch for today. Also, there's lots of volume going on, and the floating public floating shares are also less. So I think we have to watch this stock today again. The next stock that I'll be talking about is Anpac Biomedical Sciences. Ticker symbol is ANPC. The pre-market price is 5.46, and the before hours volume is 338,000. The news that came in today morning is that on they have a successful lung cancer prognosis and recurrence study. So this news came in today morning at around 8 o'clock, and that is why lots of people are watching this stock for today. The next stock is DPW Holdings, ticker symbol DPW. The pre-market price is 2.19, and before hours volume is huge. It's like 6.8 million, and the floating public floating shares is 7.53. So I think this is the stock to watch for today, because the news that came in today morning at 7 was DPW has got initial orders for electric vehicle charger product line in Q4. So this is the stock to watch, and I think because electric vehicles are on boost right now, so the charging points that this company will be providing, so it can be a huge opportunity to invest in right now, and wait for about a year or two. So if you have just try to invest around $500 into this company, and you can wait some time, like about an year, so that I think this stock will be boosting later, because Tesla and everyone is getting listed. All the electrical vehicle companies are getting listed and are hot right now. So slowly and steadily, all the cars will be replaced by electrical vehicles, and the companies like DPW Holdings will be the future, because they will be having the charging lines for those electrical vehicles. So yeah, so this was one of the stocks. The last stock that I'll be talking about is Professional Diversity Network Inc., ticker symbol IPDN. The pre-market price is 1.16, and before hours volume is 589,000. It has already risen by about 7.42% in the pre-market, and the news that came in for IPDN was that it has announced collaboration with brand marketer and diversity, equity, and inclusion advocate. They have had a collaboration agreement with Chicago-based brand marketer Miss Brittany Applegate, an experienced brand consultant and diversity, equity, and inclusion advocate. Because of this, the news that came in today morning at 8 was was this, and because of that lots of people are watching this talk for today. And that's it for this video, guys. If you like the videos, and please don't wait too long into these stocks, because these are penny stocks. So just DPW I think for holding for long term, but rest of all the penny stocks that I tell you, please don't wait too long into these stocks. Please try entering and exiting as soon as possible for 20 to 30% of profits. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And I'll be posting a video in the morning every day, so that you guys can come to know which are the hot stocks to buy for today, and when to enter and when to exit into these positions. Please wait till the pre-market highs are crossed, and then only invest into these companies. Hope you like this video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.